Is your LLC making this costly address change mistake? 57% of businesses fail to properly notify all required government entities when relocating, resulting in missed communications, compliance penalties, and even administrative dissolution. Here's how to avoid becoming a statistic. At Venture Smarter, we analyze thousands of business compliance cases annually. Today, we'll address which government agencies must be notified when changing your LLC address, what deadlines apply for reporting these changes, and how missing a filing deadline can impact your business status. Our research shows the average LLC that improperly handles an address change faces over $1,200 in penalties and 37 hours of remediation work. If you're planning a business move or have recently relocated, be sure to subscribe for more compliance insights that keep your business in good standing and help you avoid unnecessary penalties. Point 1. State filing requirements. Each state has different requirements for updating your LLC address. 82% require filing a formal amendment or change form with the Secretary of State or equivalent agency. In most states, this must be completed within 30-90 days of your move. For example, California requires an updated statement of information within 90 days, while Florida demands notification within 30 days via an Articles of Amendment filing. Check your specific state requirements immediately. This is not a task to procrastinate. Point 2. Registered agent considerations. Your registered agent address is critical for receiving legal documents. If you're using a professional registered agent service, you'll need to update your mailing address with them, but their address won't change. If you serve as your own registered agent, you must file an explicit registered agent address change. Our analysis shows this is the most commonly missed filing, with 63% of self-managed LLCs forgetting this critical update. Point 3. Tax authorities notification. Beyond state business registrations, you must update your address with federal, state, and local tax authorities separately. This includes the IRS, Form 8822B, state revenue departments, and local tax collectors. The IRS requires notification within 60 days, while state requirements vary. Failure to update tax addresses often results in missed notices and unexpected penalties for non-response to communications you never receive. Point 4. Business licenses and permits. Any business licenses, permits, or industry-specific registrations likely have separate address change requirements. 76% of these have independent processes not connected to your main LLC filing. Many of these require advance notification before moving, not after. Review all licenses and permits immediately when planning a relocation to avoid operating with invalid credentials at your new location. If you found value in this analysis of LLC address changes, be sure to subscribe for more business compliance insights. Remember, when you handle compliance matters correctly from the start, you're already on the path to Venture Smarter. Disclaimer: this video provides educational information, not legal advice. Address change requirements vary by state and industry. Consult with qualified professionals to ensure compliance with all applicable regulations.